Construction lines, the secret to better drawings? In my classroom, there's a large paper mache donut. Students love to try to draw this donut, but a lot of times they will have trouble drawing it. This is because they don't use construction lines. They think that the only lines they should draw are lines that they see. The donut is much easier to draw if you start with a circle. Obviously, I don't want a line here in my finished drawing, but it's easier to draw it and then erase it later. Construction lines are lines that you draw in the beginning of a drawing. Sometimes they get erased or removed, but they're still very important. After artists plan a drawing with construction lines, they draw the finished lines on top. On paper, usually construction lines are drawn in pencil. The finished lines are drawn in ink. Then you can erase the pencil construction lines. Obviously, I'm drawing digitally, but I'm still using construction lines the same way. Notice how this snowman is drawn with circles that overlap. These lines will get erased, but they still help the drawing. This line helps make sure Pikachu's eyes are even. Drawing it helps the drawing even though I plan to erase it. These lines help make sure that the Umbreon is the right height. I noticed that it was about 3 head heights tall, but obviously these lines aren't going to be in the finished drawing. Drawing light construction lines that you can erase lets you see what looks good or bad. You can erase the bad lines and darken the good lines. It gives you something to work with. It's 100% normal to make mistakes while you draw. Drawing light construction lines lets you fix these mistakes while you draw. And then, once the construction lines look right, the finished lines are much easier to draw. Are light construction lines that you aren't afraid to erase the secret that could help your drawings? Try it out.